Hi everyone, my name is Vikas. I am an investment banker. So I hold over 12 years of experience working in the investment banking and financial modeling. So today I'm making this short video for all of those who are looking to build their career in the field of investment banking and financial modeling. So this video will also be relevant for those who are looking to switch their profiles into investment banking and financial modeling and are currently working in the other fields. Okay. So in this short video, I will talk about what are the skill set which is required to become a financial modeling expert. Then I will talk about what are the prerequisites for any financial modeling or investment banking job opportunity. And then I will take you through the entire interview process. And at last, so I will review a financial modeling course based on certain parameter. Okay. So now I'm quickly jumping on the point number one, where I will talk about what are the skill set which is required to become a financial modeling expert. Okay. So the first thing that you will be requiring is the conceptual knowledge. So you should have a good knowledge of basics of finance, accounting, and time value of money. Then you should be able to understand P&L, balance sheet, and cash flow, how the financial statements are basically interlinked with each other. Okay, so then you should have a basics to advanced Excel proficiency. Then you should know like how to work on different types of model like the DCF, LBO, and merger and acquisition model. So then you should also be well versed with like how a business basically generates revenue from its different kind of revenue streams. Okay, so what are the different kind of costs which are associated with the business? So then only you'll be able to do the forecasting for a company. Okay, so then the financial modeling is not just about basically preparing a Excel model and just doing something with the numbers. Okay, so how you are basically presenting your data with the have of dashboard charts and storytelling, so that also really matters a lot. Okay, so data presentation is also one of the skill that the investment bank firm or any recruitment firm basically looks into you. Okay, so now I will be talking about what are the prerequisites for any financial modeling jobs opportunity. Okay, so the first thing that they will be looking in you is what is your academic background, what kind of college or university that you are coming from. Okay, along with that, so they will also be checking your how much you have scored in these post graduation and the graduation degrees, like the percentile, percentage, or grade, whatever is the case. So then along with that, so they will also be checking what kind of skill set that you have. Do you have the basic to advanced Excel skills? Then do you understand the financial statements very well, like the financial analysis skills if you have? Then problem solving skills. So if you clear on both of these parameters, so then you'll be moving towards the interview process. So then only your resume or CV will be selected for the interview process. Okay, so let's assume so you clear on both of these parameters, so and you have been selected for the interview process. In the first round you'll be going through a case study wherein they will ask you to basically work on industry overview, financial model, or Excel test. Okay, so in case you clear the case study round, so then you'll be moving towards the technical round. So in the technical round, so they will be checking you on the how much you understand about the finance basics, like the accounting ratio related questions and answer can be asked. Then in so they can also ask you a few questions related to the investment banking, such as WAC, beta, DCF, terminal value, EBITDA, LTM, enterprise value, and equity value, etc. Okay, so then once you clear the case study and the technical round, so then you will be moving towards the HR round. So in the HR rounds, they will check your attitude and your behavioral aspects. And along with that, so they will also be checking your soft skills, like how do you basically communicate with the HR, and your communication skills will be assessed. Okay, so in case you clear all of these three rounds, so then you'll be selected for any investment banking or financial modeling opportunity. Okay, so this is the entire interview process that I've just took you through. Okay, so now I will review a financial modeling course based on certain parameters. Okay, now I'm going to review a financial modeling course by Trip Prep. Okay, so the course name is Financial and Valuation Modeling Certification Program. So there will be 7 topics that they are going to cover in this course. So this course will be spread across 45 hours and 59 minutes of videos. Okay, so this course is basically available for a fee of $500. So that will be close to like 40,000 or 45,000 depending upon the exchange rate. So this course has been designed for students and professionals pursuing a career in the investment banking, private equity, corporate finance, and equity research. So you'll be able to build financial models in Excel from scratch using real case studies and best practices. Learn financial statement modeling, DCF forms, M&A, and LBO modeling. So the exact same training program used by leading financial institutions. Okay. So what is basically included in this course? So the first chapter will be the financial statement modeling. So there will be 82 sessions, which will be spread across a video of 10 hours. Then the second chapter will be DCF modeling, wherein you'll be attending 66 sections, which will be spread across 6 hours of time. Then M&A modeling with the third section. So wherein you'll be spending around like 6 hours of time. Trading comparable modeling, again you'll be spending close to 7 hours of time. Transaction forms modeling, again you'll be spending 5 hours of time. LBO modeling is something that you'll be able to learn in the 10 hours. Okay. So along with that, you'll also be able to work on the building buyer list. So wherein you'll be getting the access to like 1 hour and 30 minutes of videos. So 25 plus mini courses that you'll also be able to get in this course. Meet your instructor kickoff class. So this is again, which is basically available. So although like this seems to be a like self-paced learning course, so as they have on their website, while the premium package is self-paced, enrollment includes optional guidance to a 30 minutes Zoom session where trainees will meet the program instructor who will give a brief program orientation and answer questions in a live Q&A. Okay, so you will also be getting a 1 month access to the pitch deck. Okay, pitch book is basically a kind of database, so that they are providing you with a 1 month of access. Okay, so that you can learn and make the most of it. Okay, so these are the some of these sample videos that they have uploaded with regards to like whatever they are covering on the different kind of content. Okay, so if we talk about the placement supports, if they are covering, so they have not mentioned on their website. Internship is again something that they have not mentioned on their website. Okay, so based on the features and the kind of the curriculum that we have looked into this particular course, so now I'm going to rate this course basis some parameters. So you can just check out that the parameters are basically listed on the left. Okay. So if we talk about the course depth, so this is going to be a very good course. The Excel skills that you're going to learn in this course, so a live session will not be there. Live doubt session will be there for only for the 30 minutes in case you want to clarify your doubts. Okay. So for that reason, again, I'm rating it as one. Internship support is not there. Placement support is not there. Course fee will be somewhere around 40 to 45,000 for the self-paced learning course. So which seems to be a very high fees, because in case you are looking for any self-paced learning course, so then that course will be available. So any good self-paced learning course will be available with the fees of 25,000 rupees. Okay, so for that reason, I'm just rating it at 0. So course duration will be good. Okay, money back guarantees they have not mentioned, and LMX access is basically available in this course. Okay, so based on these parameters, so this course has scored 5 out of 10. Okay, in case you are really serious about basically building your career in the field of financial modeling, so I can suggest a better financial modeling course which comes with the complete package, which covers all the aspect of a financial modeling course that you can expect from any institution. Okay, so I am going to share the details related to that course in the description box, so please check that out. And in case you need any kind of further assistance from my end, so feel free to ping me in the comment section. I will revert to you as soon as possible. I hope you will like this video, and thanks for watching the video.